KMC Conquest wireless products are a quick, easy-to-install solution that seamlessly incorporate wireless sensors into your current controls network. In this video, we're going to walk through the planning and installation of wireless sensors and a gateway. Wireless installations often require some thought and testing to ensure best and long-term performance. Consideration should be given to the placement of the sensors relative to the gateway, as well as what comes between them. Signal strength decreases the farther it travels and as it travels through different materials. Let's review a few factors that impact wireless performance. The first factor is distance. Typical range of the wireless sensors is 100 feet line of sight. In a building, a good estimate for planning is 75 feet to allow for minor obstructions. The next factor is what blocks the path of the signal. While radio waves can move through walls and other materials, the strength does decrease. And depending on what the obstacles are made of, the reduction can be significant. Wood, glass, and drywall have relatively low reduction, while metal, iron-reinforced concrete, and mirrors have significant reduction. The last factor to consider is the shape of the area. Narrow rooms where the sensors and receivers may not be ideally facing each other can cause the range or coverage to be reduced. If the coverage area of signal strength is low, the distance of the sensors and gateways should be reduced, or multiple gateways can be installed. Let's walk through the site survey process. First, look at a floor plan of the space. Mark the preferred locations of the sensors. One thing to keep in mind, these sensors run on solar power, so they need to be in an area with at least 3 to 4 hours of 200 lux light daily. Indirect sunlight is best, as direct sunlight may lead to false temperature readings. Next, plot the position of the gateways. They need to be within a reasonable distance of the sensors and avoid any areas that might block the radio signals. Take the environment into consideration. Construction materials, the layout, and how the space is used all has an impact. Things like fire-protected walls, staircases, and metal shelving can all decrease signal strength. You may need to adjust the location to avoid these barriers. Once on site, we want to verify the signal strength of the locations of the gateways and sensors on our site plan before we permanently install them. Temporarily place these devices in their desired positions. Using KMC Connect, view the signal strength between the sensors and gateway. A good rule of thumb when it comes to signal strength readings is up to -85 dB is generally okay. With readings beyond -95, consider improving conditions by changing wireless sensors or gateway locations, or adding additional gateways. Once a good signal strength is attained, the sensors and gateways can be installed in the space. For more information on the KMC Conquest wireless gateway and sensors, check out the other videos in this series. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.